Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial on the donut making. So let's continue this on part 5. Hello, welcome to part 5 tutorial. So we're gonna be making the spiral of donuts around the stem of this curve. So let's go back to where we left off last time. So now if you select the donuts over here and hit tab, you will notice there's no vertices. This drive me goddamn insane. So let's exit tab mode, and that's because we have solid view, a solidify modifier on top of it. So let's apply that, and now we can see our vertices when we enter edit mode. So that's nice. I like that. G. Let's grab donuts right over here. Hit S to scale it down a little bit, and then let's put the donuts right in the middle. And we want the vertices there right over here, right in the middle. So when are we gonna rotate it? So when we're rotating the donuts, the red modifier is gonna rotate around its origin and not somewhere around here. But just to make sure, let's go object, set origin to geometry, and I'll set this point over here right in the middle of this mesh. So let's go enter, hit O, and let's drag this donuts over here out a little. So now we've got donuts. Nice. So now let's add a ray modifier to duplicate it in a linear manner. So let's go constant. I like constant better. And just increase the Z value, which is going upwards ever so slightly, and increase the amount crazy. And just increase the amount like crazy. 800. Let's go 800. 800 donuts. Nice. That's a lot of vertices. How many vertices are you at? 2 million. Whatever, no one cares about that. So with this 3D cursor right here, let's shift A and add a normal empty. Sorry, really sleep deprived. So empty. So what an empty basically does is it's empty. So you won't see it rendered, but it's just there as a reference. You can use it as a reference for rotation and just something that's there and you never see it. So it's really nice. You can be there as a reference point or something. And which point we're gonna use right now? So we're gonna use like object offset, and we're gonna use the eyedropper tool and select the empty as reference. So everything's gonna revolve around the empty. And you can see the donut is like escalating upwards or something like that. So let's go Control A and apply all transforms, and that will just make everything nice and normal. A bit more normal at least. So we just add that as a default size, so the computer doesn't get confused by anything. So this is the donut popping out left and right. This is normal. This is one of the main reasons I don't use the ray modifier that much. And nothing is normal inside of it. So once you have lined everything up, it should look something like this. I set my amount to 800, but I think that's slight overkill. And for reference though, if you want to see my setup, this is my setup. So 800 counts, the X value of negative 0.7 millimeters, Z values of 0.066 and 0.55. So small measurements goes a long way. So now it looks somewhat neaty and straight now. I probably don't need 800. Let's go 400 instead. That works. Alright, and now let's set and make sure you have the period points. Set the individual origins. Click your empty R and then Z, and that will make a nice rotation of it. Nice. Let's rotate a bit R and Z. I want to make it a bit more crazy. There we go. And that is more of the thing that we have. I went to the first render of my donuts. So now let's set all these donuts following the curve. So let's add a curve modifier, and that will physically deform the shape of a donut. So now let's go to here, select object, and we just want to go to X-ray mode first. Go to X-ray mode first, and now we just want to select this over here. So working. Well, we can just do it manually, and then we can just set that to the Z-axis. Oh well, just go G then Z, I guess. G Let's keep it that way. I don't really mind it. Hey, and there we have it. A nice plant tree using the array modifier, using empty as reference, array modifier to duplicate each one of them, and then there's a curve modifier to follow around the curves. Alright, to finish things bit off, let's go to edit mode of the donut. And let's drag a few of these points downwards. So let's go select this point. Hit O for opening to change into proportion editing and change it random. So let's go grab and then Z, and now we just have this meltish look to it. Oh yeah, one last thing I promise. If you want to make him if you want to remain and look more donutty, just make sure in the displacement node within the shaders modifier, you make sure you can adjust the mid levels and the scales down to 0.01 or something like that, and that wouldn't displace it like crazy. Like if I were to turn this to 0.5 right now, 0.5, and then this to 0.1, which I had before, you can see it looks like sort of like ice cream, sort of thing spiky-ish. It doesn't really make sense for donuts. So yeah, if you want to remain it look more donutty, yeah, I recommend you to keep those displacements there.